Hey guys, my name is Henry from GVI Limpopo. I'm in the middle of our annual elephant impact assessment. Today we found some tracks of the elephants. We're trying to locate them and see how they're utilizing the large trees. We found this beautiful set from our big male elephant. It seems to have been walking this way. We were close to a river now, ideal habitat for them, especially this time of day when it's really hot. So I'm expecting to find them somewhere along this river. It appears to be moving that way. Even just a closer look at the tracks, you can notice the pattern that's left from just the blood vessels under the foot. In some cases you can identify the individual based on this. Just based on its size, I'm confident it's our big bull.